Valvoline's Reinvention project. Since Valvoline is the official motor oil sponsor of Hendrick Motorsports, we worked with Dale Earnhardt Jr. and Jimmy Johnson to celebrate 140 years of reinventing motor oil by reinventing two classic trucks. These vehicles span the best truck and part options available from yesteryear to today.
This is a new corporate sponsorship with us with Valvoline, and glad to have them on board with the motorsports side. Said they wanted to do something really unique that somebody hasn't done with our drivers. We picked out that we wanted to do something with two trucks with Jimmy and Junior and build them a vehicle that would take an older vehicle, whatever year they picked, and bring them up to modern standards, not only in engines, in handling, and in braking.
In the end, fans like you put your knowledge to the test and deciphered clues Dale Jr. and Jimmy released about their trucks, which leads us to today, where we finally get to see which truck builds the drivers reinvented.
Hey everybody, the time has come. We've had you wondering what we were building. Both trucks are here underneath their car covers. It's time to pull these things off. So let's get to it. We'll see what's under the cover here on my awesome ride that we've been working on. This 1955 Chevy pickup truck. It was an old farm truck in Georgia. But I know you've got something over here under the red cover, Junior.
That's right, man. Good looking truck, Jimmy. This truck here that I chose is a 1974 short bed Chevrolet pickup truck. The year I was born, the Cheyenne Super 10. Real proud of it. This is my favorite color, orange. I think they did a great job on it, kept the trim. Good looking truck.
Looks awesome.
Thank you.
Jimmy and Dale Jr. put a lot of thought into these vehicles. So let's go behind the scenes at Hendrick Performance and see the work that was put into these trucks.
We took a couple basically stock pickup trucks and reinvented them in something a little more modern. The 55 pickup truck that we have is Jimmy Johnson's choice, and he liked the patina and the original stock look of that truck, so he wanted to kind of keep the original feel of a weathered and kind of used old farm truck style look, and then go with the modern drivetrain and also change the suspension too, so we could get a lower stance. The truck would handle better on the road course and autocross that we're going to put it through, to complement some of the power upgrades that we did. Dale's choice was the 74 pickup truck, and on that truck he kind of did a similar setup, also wanted to bring it down a little bit. That would give it a better looking stance, also help it to ride better and handle better through the autocross, and using the same powertrain as Jimmy chose. We added basically completely custom drivetrains to both trucks, and we started with the powertrain going from an LS3 Chevrolet V8 to a GM 4L60 transmission, and then Auburn positive traction rear units in both trucks. In regards to suspension, the 55, we got a little bit more adjustability. We can control how high and low the truck is. We have an adjustable coilover setup on that truck. Versus the 74 pickup truck was kind of a one set deal. We picked the suspension to match the ride height and the look of the truck to give it that beefy, aggressive stance.
Dale Jr. and Jimmy trust Valvoline motor oil in their race cars, so they chose Valvoline's SynPower full synthetic motor oil for maximum performance in these modern engines. Now that these trucks are complete, Dale Jr. and Jimmy are ready to take them for a test drive, NASCAR style. They're going to put these trucks through their paces in an autocross challenge, smoky burnout, and drag race. When they're done, we'll want you to tell us which truck you think did best.